advised, the opinions and views of the hosts and guests do not reflect those of the station.
Hello, my name is Harry Tambuatco and welcome to this program. Okay, what did we go through this week? Let's see. Headlines. Pilipinas kay ganda. Problem, plagiarism. We're back to intellectual property. Why do we do this? Well, let me see. As of today, as of this showing, we have spent close to 200 million for something that no money was supposedly spent. This is Pilipinas kay ganda. Exactly where is that going to go? Ladies and gentlemen, what happened was last week there was a full-page spread, no less than the very big pictures in the major dailies. Not one, not two, but all three. Depicting basically the Department of Tourism Secretary, Bertie Lim, together with his USEC and some other person, if I'm not mistaken, and in full color. All of a sudden, the whole country woke up to basically Pilipinas kay ganda. My thoughts, gee, when did we turn into ABS-CBN? But then again, we've got the president's sister there. But that's okay. Do I like it, kay ganda? Is that not grammatically incorrect? Then as the day went on, everybody started complaining. Criticisms of all types, those who were for it and those that were against it, started coming out all over the radio. Basically, bakit natin gusto palitan ang Wow Philippines? Ang laki na ginastos natin dyan. Tsaka maganda naman yung Wow Philippines. Bakit naman naging ganon? Well, up to today, it's raging. But the problem is when it comes to plagiarism, that's not the only issue. The other issues, of course, is the Supreme Court. Oh, hang on. Did we forget Manny Pangilinan and Ateneo? Let me see. Plagiarism seems to be an in word. And the real word that comes right under that is copyrights. Let's see. Copyrights, intellectual property. Today, in this program, we're going to discuss basically only one of those issues. Yes, plagiarism, but let's even go away from that. Let's go at the content. We have with us none other than former Senator Richard Gordon, who's also chairman for the Red Cross, and many other advocacies because the man refuses to be put down. Senator, maraming salamat for being here with your busy schedule, paikot-ikot ka. Alam mo, I know you don't want to talk too much about this issue. Baka sabihin ng iba, inaagaw pansin eh. And ikaw pa naman, ayin-ayin mo yung ganyan eh. But really, ito ang issue ngayon eh. Wow, Philippines. Kailan ba? You told me right before the show, I didn't realize the word wow, other than the group, the creative group that you brought in, nanggaling sa'yo yung idea.
Yes.
Basically, everything emanated from me. From there, nag-metastasize na.
Yes. No, hindi nag-metastasize. Metastasize means masama.
I mean, mutation. It mutated to
nag-permutate.
Nag-permutate. Okay, correct. I stand corrected.
Thank you. Actually, we had a problem when I took over tourism. Kauupo namin at Gloria Macapagal Arroyo asked me to be Secretary of Tourism, which I refused initially. Ayoko sumama na. Dala ko doon sa Subic. Quite probably, I wanted to go back to Subic and fix it.
Yes.
At least nawala na yung problema ng araw natin na hindi marunong yung nagpapatakbo at that time. Yan ang pakiramdam namin. No?
Oops, patama. Sige, go ahead.
At least, that's my perception po. Huwag kayo magalit sa akin. At ganyan ho ako talaga. Yung perception ko lang po yun. Hindi naman yung kailangan i-swallow. No? But, ang problema nun, natanggal nga si Erap. Tapos,
si Gemma Cruz
nung nakaupo si Erap, he had the Sipadan hostage taking.
That's right.
There was war in Mindanao. He declared war in Mindanao.
He declared war.
Tapos maraming kidnapping, maraming bank robberies. Nung umupo tayo, yun ang problema. So, we had a problem. Unang-una, ang budget ng tourism, 900 million pesos. Buong budget na yun, pati mga sweldo ng tao, pati mga
all in na yan, administrative.
All in na yun.
So, minuscule, miski pa paano.
Yeah. So, ang pang-budget lamang namin at the time for Kwan was $640,000.
Okay.
Nung nagpunta ako sa Hong Kong, sabi, welcome, Secretary. We know about you from Subic, We know you're a marketing guy. You're from Procter and Gamble. That's the problem with the Philippines. It doesn't market. It doesn't advertise. Don't worry, sabi ko, we have, well, how much is your budget? Sabi ko, I have a budget of $640,000. Oh, great. Is that for Hong Kong? No, because that's for the whole world. Kaya medyo napi ako ng konti doon. And so sabi ko dadaanin ko sa trabaho ito. I would go around the world kasi walang pera. So,
Ikaw naging mascot.
Hindi rin kami makapag-hire ng advertising agency dahil kulang kami sa pera. So, nag-isip kami. Tinawag ko yung mga kaibigan ko. Si Bert Labog, tinawag ko. Dinala niya si
Bobby Caballero.
Dahil hindi ko gusto yung ad na ginawa nung nakaraan dahil mukhang hindi pumapatok. I cannot even remember it. Masyadong convoluted. No? So,
Buti nakakaintindi ka ng marketing
well, I was in Procter and
strategies.
Gamble brand. I introduced...
So you're a brand custodian, Mr.
Yeah, I
Papano,
introduced
brand
Safeguard
manager.
in the Philippines.
okay.
So, ako yung team na kasama ko, yung tatlo kami dyan nag-introduce niyan. Saka I was handling Tide. So, naiintindihan ko yan. That was my first job, by the way.
I didn't realize.
And
Marketing
modesty aside,
background.
kahit na history and government graduate tayo, we were invited by Unilever and Procter and Gamble.
Those are the two best. They're
PMC,
top.
PRC
Yeah.
na. So,
Consumer brands yan eh.
PMC. Mataganda naman yung naging experience ko lang. To make a long story short, sabi ko gano'n, may napapanood ako na nakalagay World of Wonders. Yung mga interesting experiences. So, sabi ko, kailangan ko ng isang pangalan sa Pilipinas na kagad dating. Parang Amazing Thailand. So, marami ako inisip dyan ng araw, no? Dahil ako, alam naman nyo, Aim High, Olongapo, ginawa ko yan.
Oh, Aim High.
Bawal ang
Aim
tamad
high.
sa Olongapo, ginawa ko
Maganda yun. Bawal ang tamad.
Lalong bawal ang tanga. Hindi nakasulat yan, no? Tapos every year, may bago ko. Pero yung Aim High, nandun, duty, dignity, determination. Self-help, self-reliance,
really?
cooperation. Meron akong ganyan every year. Nung dumating ako sa Subic, protect and preserve to prosper.
Protect and preserve to
Yung mga-
prosper. PPP.
Huwag nyo nakawin. Huwag nyo patang ganyan. Ganyan yan. Hanggang Subic bringing the world to the Philippines and the Philippines to the world. By land, by air,
You
by
are
sea,
marketing oriented.
by satellite and cyberspace. Fly high, Subic.
Fly high. Maganda yung fly high.
So, yun ang ginawa natin na ginawa. So, naghahanap ako, naisip ko, bakit hindi wow? Wow, Philippines. Kaming dalawa ni Bert, ewan ko, sino sa amin nauna, but nakita ko yun, gusto ko yung World of Wonder. Wow.
World of Wonder.
Pag nakakita ka, maganda, wow.
Oh,
so,
wow.
dikit mo, wow, Philippines. 3 letter lang, says it all about the Philippines. Tapos ang gumawa nung letter nun, PCBC, mga tao sa PCB, magagaling yung mga bata sa tourism eh. So,
Ibig sabihin, hindi ka na nag-ad agency. Hindi ka na kumuha ng creative
wala
group.
kaming ad agency.
Kayo na tumira nun.
Kaya ang tawag na sa akin, Mr. Kuripot. Wala talaga.
Talaga?
Kuripot ako dahil wala akong pera. Even in life, kuripot ako. Because I have no money. I have to earn it.
I remember the campaign. Hindi ka gumagastos, walang gagastusin eh.
Di ba sabi ko sa'yo?
Tandaan ko yun.
Ba't ko gagastusin yung inipon ko? Tapos
tama.
magnanakaw lang ako later on.
Hindi,
So
ganun
kung may
din.
magbigay, salamat. Kung wala,
Wala magagawa.
I offer. Kaya ako I don't feel I lost because remember I said,
Yes, I remember.
paano ko matatalo? Ino-offer ko lang naman yung record ko sa integrity natin, saka yung track record natin sa Subic, sa DOT, sa Senado, at saka sa Mayor, at saka sa CONCON. I thought, ngayon, kung ayaw nyo, hindi ako natalo. Dahil you will have to judge later on as you have. Ang tanong ko palagi, lahat ba ng presidente yung binoto nyo na nanalo kayo dahil binoto nyo? Nung bang after natapos yung term nila, nanalo kayo?
Alam ko kung sino nanalo doon, pero
Yun
sila
nga.
hindi.
Ganun ang sinasabi ko.
Tama yun.
So,
tama yun.
palagi, ang dapat manalo, ang bayan sa akin. That's my segue. Kailangan manalo ang bayan sa WOW. Hindi wow Gordon yan. Ginamit ko na lang yun nung wala na ako sa tourism, na wow Dick, nung tumampanya ako senador.
Pag sinabi mo wow, paano mo naisip, you didn't think that wow was a Filipino terminology? Kasi
No.
for some reason, it's international.
It's an international word.
Ladies and gentlemen, while we are talking, we're going to flash some pictures that you will see. This will blow you away. You see, the problem with Pilipinas kay Ganda was the word plagiarism. Polska, meaning from Poland, it was hanggang font design. Ayan, lumalabas dyan. Mukhang nagaya ata. So maraming, you see the difference, yung ilalim, Polska, yan yung sa Poland. Miski yung pagsusulat, ang mga kulay, halos pare-pareho. So nabanatan ngayon ng copyright yan. Now, check this out. Wow, Philippines, while we're talking about, we'll flash one picture there. This is from Syria. Baliktad, tayo ang ginaya. Banatan ngayon natin sila ng plagiarism. O, di ba?
Kinapiright nila 2010.
Copyright pa lang.
Dahil hindi nga natin masyadong ginagamit dahil nga, ang tingin sa atin, ang ganda ng ginawa, pero wala naman kayong pera yung ibigay.
When did you compose it, the campaign?
Pag